finding the working coupons for your Flipkart is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can get working coupons for your Flipkart. So we have to go to Google and type in Flipkart. We will go to this website. It will take us to the Flipkart home's website. As you guys can see, I'm at their home website. Now, how can I get coupons that I can use to get some percent off while buying any of the stuff? So the thing is pretty easy. You just have to go to new tab and type in Honey. And after typing in, you just have to go to this link. So let's talk about what is Honey. Honey is an app which you can add to your Google Chrome only. So make sure you are at your Google Chrome. So it is an app which finds the suitable coupon codes for you. By the way, it does all the job automatically. You just have to do the work with a single click. So what it will do is it will find the suitable coupon codes while in the checkout page, it will put the suitable coupon codes or the best coupon codes that are possible for your purchase. It will put at the checkout page by default. You just have to check out, and so that's how you guys can get some percent off. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can get some coupons for your Flipkart. Hope you guys find this video helpful.